Balen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
So for today's vlog guys, ayan, nasa daan tayo ng San Jose, San Fernando, Pampanga. At dinayo namin itong Beans and Booze para sa mga...
Actually, ito yung mga kakaibang coffee shot na pwede yung tikman dito.
There you have it guys. Part po ng main menu nila are cocktail coffees. So if you are into those kind of refreshment, mga chill vibes na inumin, samahan niyo po kami dito.
So tara, let's go!
So again guys, thank you so much for being with us in this video. Surprise ako dahil hindi to yung usual na coffee shop na pinupuntahan natin.
Actually, talagang hindi siya usual kasi meron tayong mga parang mga shots dito, coffee shots.
Yes, yes.
Kasi talagang it will boost you up.
It will boost you up. So in terms of options, actually meron tayong non-coffee drinks dito. We also have coffee base, which are yung over iced at saka yung frap. And then lastly, yun nga yung mga
boost natin.
Tinatawag nating mga coffee cocktails. Yes. Alright.
This flavor parang mga exciting na inumin sila. Kasi meron silang mga flavored. At the same time, meron silang mga cheese cup. So, parang interesting inumin mga
tao na, of course, gusto na, kumbaga, over-chill yung, yung mga coffee nila. I think this is an option, no? Which, I really want to try.
Actually, ano lang naman siya, talagang chill lang kasi isang shot lang
siya. Okay. So, tingnan natin, bro. So, we have rum base, vodka base, at saka whiskey base. Okay. So, which one is which? So this one is espresso white Russian. This one's vodka base.
Ito naman is yung kanilang rum iced coffee.
Rum iced coffee.
Meron siyang grenadine dito, meron siyang coffee, meron siyang cheese cup.
And of course,
yung pinaka natin, rum.
So actually, nabigyan nga akong idea nung owner natin kanina. Parang ito yung mga legal shots kapag gusto mong dalhin sa trabaho or even sa bahay.
Yes.
Some coffee shops are plainly, kumbaga, dedicated sa mga frap, iced coffee, mga ganyan. But this one is kasama talaga sa main menu nila is mga booze.
Yes.
Ooh.
In fairness, dito sa mga drinks nila, hindi naman siya ganun kahalata na may mga booze sila. Kasi malakas pa rin naman yung taste ng coffee.
Coffee, actually, yeah. I agree. And then this one, para lang siyang merong, at the end of the sip, parang dun mo marirealize, oh yeah, that's vodka. Parang ganun. Tingnan natin lahat yung mga boost nila since these are one of their main products dito sa Bean and Booze. Another boost coffee guys, this is Irish coffee. Ito naman ay whiskey base.
Ito naman is under the vodka base.
Yes.
So same nung kanina, this is the latte martini.
And then first time ko niyan matitikman yung nila, yung cheese cup. Cheers, bro! So this one, parang at the end of the sip, para siyang may tutti frutti na aroma.
Ito naman para sa akin, mix siya talaga ng coffee and yung vodka. Para sila naglalaban eh. Siguro if ever ikaw yung coffee lover at the same time gusto mo na talaga ma-boost up, this is the best for you.
Alright. Let's go next to their mga ibang products po nila. Again, they have ice. These one are non-coffee. Ito naman yung mga frap natin.
I'll taste syempre yung kanilang vanilla for the non-coffee.
Of course, una kong hinanap guys is yung kanilang caramel. Ayan, caramel. Wow, caramel. It's not too sweet. Para sa akin, nice shot.
Same time yung kanilang vanilla, saktong-sakto din.
So let's talk about the place while we are sipping this one. I think for the place, if you notice, so parang meron lang tayong dalawang high table, high chairs, and then the place is suitable for I think up until 8 person. Yun nga, basing the place, kumbaga intimate lang,
exclusive.
Not too much social, parang ganun. So when you go here, a little bit of sip, a little bit of booze. I think that's the type of environment na gusto nilang pa-experience dito.
Yes. So at the same time naman, kung ikaw naman yung nasa bahay lang or nasa office, you could order them from Foodpanda and they will deliver to you.
Available din sila sa fan page nila, guys. And if you wanna, bring this somewhere else, like outside Pampanga, so make sure to contact them in advance para po ma-prepare nila sa mga pet bottles. For the non-coffee, meron pa tayong mga ibang flavors dito. Like this is strawberry, this one is a matcha, ayan, so, and then this one is double chocolate. This one's a double chocolate.
So for their coffee frap naman, so meron pa tayong additional flavor dito na mocha. Meron din silang coffee vanilla and Spanish latte.
Spanish latte. I think this is also available sa ice nila. This is Spanish latte. And then we also have vanilla, mocha, and caramel. So it's up to your preference, guys. It's a frap base or on ice. Minsan gusto mo frap, minsan gusto mo on ice lang, no? Di ba? Okay, so let me try naman yung kanilang mocha. This one, I wanna try this one.
Ako, since naging interested ako dun sa kanilang Spanish latte.
Yes.
I'll go for the frap naman na Spanish latte.
Okay. So in terms of price, actually yung over ice nila starting at 90 pesos. For the frap naman starts at 120 pesos.
So napaka-affordable pa rin yan, no? So lalo-lalo na sa mga young adults, young professional na talagang mahilig sa coffee and yung mga gusto magpa-boost up, you could try this dito sa Vincent Boost.
We had our, shot for the day in terms of caffeine, yung coffee, and then you have your rum or the spirit, mga alcohol, no?
Yes, meron din.
So you get your parang euphoric feeling, no? Your chill, happy vibe. I think so, no? So if you're looking for those kinds of drinks, guys, dito po sa Bean and Boost, available yan. This is along San Jose, across lang siya ng Petrolero gas station. If you're looking for an alternative place for you to, have your coffee, as well as different kind of booze.
Yes.
Coffee-based booze, guys. Check out Bean and Boost. This one's gonna be my last, ika bro.
Ako yung pinaka-last ko natin naman is yung kanilang strawberry non-coffee.
Alright, so there you have it, guys. We're gonna taste this one offline. If you like the refreshment you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you in the next one.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Cheers, bro.